Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, let me put my little thing here to hide my little lights. I got some happy mail from Heather. Make sure you guys are subscribed to her. She doesn't do YouTube videos. She has some older ones on her channel, but I'm trying to encourage her to start a channel, guys. Help me encourage her. She's a sweetheart. She is so supportive. And if you are into buying destashes and stuff, she's been destashing some items. And you can follow her on Instagram. I'm going to put the link to both her Instagram and her YouTube, all right, guys? And so she sent me this little package with a note. I was trying to fix the lighting on my phone and it cut out. So I'm re-recording this. But so far, this is all that I opened. And look at, guys, she made me some gold bows. And thank you so much, Heather, for putting the transfer tape on here. I don't do things like this with vinyl. I need to learn. Look at, guys, she put my name, Bucci, with the gold bow. Heather, this is so special, girl. Thank you so much. This is so sweet of you. So I've got that in several different sizes. And then I got some extra bows. She said that this is Sizer Easy Weed Vinyl. And it's permanent, but I wouldn't use it on things that get hot or wet a lot. So probably like a bag or a little like case would be cute. Thank you so much, Heather. So guys, Heather is a sweetheart. She has been such an awesome friend to me, a great supporter, and I just appreciate her. She's, you know, every once in a while she sends me something special, and I don't know why she always does that, but it's so sweet of her, and I just really appreciate you thinking about me, girl. So sweet of you. So she wanted to send me something, and I think she said she wants to send the kids some things. So we got some highlighters. Ooh, I hope these are for me, girl. I hope they're not for the kids. I think this is for the kids. I'm gonna steal their highlighters. And there's some pink ones, guys. Okay. And then we got this. Oh my God, look at these stickers. These are so cute. Guys, I think this might be for Ava. Ava, if you don't know, guys, she loves stickers, especially puffy stickers. She's like her mama. These are adorable. They're like little bunnies and little hellos. And there's also a blue bunny. And then here we have, yeah, these are for your kiddos. So they can make eggs. So I'll have Elijah and Ava make these. And then I think she said she sent me these because they were extra. She's just always doing special things, guys. She's just so sweet. I love her so much. Look at how cute. I don't have these, Heather. These are adorable. They're just little tiny nail art type cabochons that we could use on our crafts. I think she said, look at this one, got a flower in the middle. That's so cute. And it's a folded ear. I think she said that she had like extras of these and she wants to send them to me. So sweet, Heather. Thank you so much. And there's a lot in here. And then we have some Dollar Tree treat sacks that always come in handy. Let me get these in here, guys. Oh, they're so adorable and small. I love them. I love the ones with the bow and the flower especially. And then she sent these little treat sacks. And then something here. Oh, no, you did not, girl. You put a bow on here. This is so cute. I think she sent me the links to these. I think she was the one who shared these with me. And they're so cute. It was like a pack of them. You put my name on there, girl. That's so sweet. Look at the bow. Heather, that is so sweet of you, girl. It is a tiny little tumbler. I think it's more for display, but it looks like it could be used to drink out of. It's so cute. Heather, that is so sweet of you, girl. Thank you so much. Guys, make sure you're following Heather. She is a sweetheart. She is a woman of faith. I love that about her. And she's just so supportive. And again, I want you guys to drop a comment down below for Heather and say, Heather, make that YouTube channel. I want her to upload on there, you guys. I don't know, Heather, these might be for the kids, but I'm going to steal them. They got plenty of highlighters. I need some. All right, guys. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Heather, thank you so much. I'm going to link once again her Instagram and her YouTube so she can start uploading some videos, guys, because she makes some really beautiful things. And she's an enabler as well. She's always in my inbox showing me some stuff that I need to buy, and I always, usually, typically I end up buying it. But lately I've been trying to chill out. So definitely run to her channel, leave her a comment on some of her own videos, and leave a comment here for her. All right, guys? I love you all. I'll be back with some more projects. I've been working really hard on some projects. I just haven't finished them all. And I will be back with another video tomorrow. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.